I'm gonna first of all use this Focallure का Dip Brow Pomade in chocolate. I'm gonna use it to define my eyebrows. This also comes under 1000 rupees. Rouge का spoolie use कर रही हूँ, double-ended, which is also supposed to use for brow pomades. This is also for rupees 800. अब मैं spoolie की help से I'm just gonna मेक श्योर कि मैं सारे जो मेरे आईब्राउज के बाल हैं उसको फेदर कर दूं अपवर्ड्स, ताकि मैं यहाँ पे इजीली एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकूं पोमेड की. I'm using this Essence का I Love Stage आई शेडो बेस्ड प्राइमर. इससे मैं अपनी आईज प्राइम भी करूँगी और अपनी आईब्राउज को नीट भी करूँगी. Palette which is called Pride or Drill. I will mention all the details. Has 6 beautiful shades. I'm going to use this one as my transition shade. I'm taking this Glamorous face की MAC मखमली मैट टच पैलेट. दिस इज़ नॉट अंडर 1000 रुपीज़, लेकिन ये ऐसी पैलेट है जो कि 1500 रुपीज़ की मिल जाएगी और इतनी बड़ी पैलेट है. तो मेरे पास कोई अंडर 1000 बहुत अच्छी पैलेट नहीं थी. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस पैलेट. सो आई एम गोना यूज दिस शेड नाउ अंडर एज माई क्रीज. And take this blue. It's a royal blue kind of a shade. I'm gonna take this and apply it onto my crease. तो मैं ये वाले जो कलर्स हैं इन दोनों को मिक्स करूँगी, both of these. And I'm gonna deepen my crease with them. So guys, first of all I'm taking my Maybelline baby skin primer. This is for 800 rupees, or this is a very nice primer. And for correction I'm gonna be taking Glamorous face ki TV stick in the shade Oriental. I'm gonna just use it, tap it with the help of my finger on my hyperpigmented areas. इसके बाद I'm taking this small beauty blender by Beauty Fab by Amna, and I'm just blending that corrector everywhere around my face. Now for the foundation, I'm going in with Glamorous Face की HD foundation. It's a very nice light coverage foundation. Since गर्मियाँ हैं, so I wanted to wear something which is very lightweight और जो easily blend हो जाए skin के अंदर. So I'm taking this affordable option for my foundation. For the concealer, I'm taking my very new favorite. पहले मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन I've started using it now बहुत ज़्यादा, and I love this concealer. For contouring, I'm taking this contour stick by Focallure. It's a very nice contour stick, और ये cream contour इतने मज़े के से blend हो जाता है आपकी skin के अंदर. I'm currently loving this stick so much. Set that contour and everything in place. I'm taking this Rimmel Stay Matte for setting powder. अपना face set करने के लिए मैं ये powder use करूँगी. Then I'm going ahead and using this Christine contour kit, which is a very affordable contour kit, and it's my personal favorite. I'm going for this Silky Touch blush by Essence. It's also a very affordable, nice, cute blush. It gives a very plummy kind of a look to your face. For the highlighter, I'm taking this, my new favorite. It's very cheap, only for 300 rupees from a brand called SYZ. I will link everything in the description box below. For setting my face, I'm taking this NYX matte setting spray, as I didn't have any setting spray under 1000. This is also close to 1000, that's why I used it. अब मैं underline कर रही हूँ, अपनी lower lash line पे apply कर रही हूँ the same crease color, and I'm also taking a golden pencil और मैं उसको अपनी waterline में लगा रही हूँ, also highlighting my inner corners. Now for the lipstick, I'm taking this Entice Cosmetics liquid lipstick, which is in the shade Skinny Dip. I love this color. This looks super hot and amazing with all the looks. So yes guys, that was my Eid makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Take care.